A prosperity meditation so powerful that it comes with a warning label. Yes, if you're ready to activate prosperity with the magic of yoga, then this one is amazing and it's for you. Sitting in easy pose or in rock pose on your heels, whatever is most comfortable for you. Spine tall, back of the neck in line with the spine, elbows right by the sides. And you're going to bring your forearms so that they're angled up a bit so that the tips of your fingers are at about the throat chakra level. And then we're going to connect the insides of the hands and then the outsides of the hands, connecting them. And as the insides of the hands connect, this is my right hand, always have your right thumb at the bottom. So the sides and the insides. That's the movement right here. Super easy. And we're going to connect the movement with the mantra of Har. Har is one of my favorite mantras because it activates the navel chakra and it brings in the creative infinite energy of the universe into your being. And as you chant the mantra, it's spelled H-A-R, but it sounds a little bit more like H-U-D because as you chant it, you're going to bring in the navel, Har, 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 Har. And for the R, you're going to flick your tongue against the ridge behind your top teeth. So, Har, 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 Har. It's kind of like when you do the R sound, but you're only doing one of those. Har, Har. So, navel, Har, tongue. Har, Har, Har. And we're going to combine that with the hand movement. And one more thing, your eyes are open, a tiny little slit, and you're going to focus them at the tip of the nose. So they're going to go a little cross-eyed. You might feel a little activation here in your frontal lobe and an activation around your third eye. That's totally okay. Eyes open a tiny bit, focused at the tip of the nose. Elbows bent. Har, 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 Har. All right, let's do that together. Let's try it out for 6 minutes. You can do it for up to 11 minutes. I'm going to put the track I used in the link in the description. Har, 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 Har. Steady, keep the mantra going. Har, And inhale and exhale. Hold the hands steady. Inhale, last one. And exhale, release the hands down. Feel the energy inside and around you. Feel the abundance, the health, the love. Feel it washing over you. Feel a golden light flowing through you. And there you are, a meditation so powerful that it comes with a warning label. Sat Nam.